What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be starting a new project for another customer. This is a 95 Honda Civic coupe. It's stock right now. It has a d20b b7 auto, and we're going to be doing a b20 swap in it, and we're gonna do a manual swap. I have the transmission right here, DC4. And I have the engine right there on the engine stand, putting new gaskets and seals, adjusting the valve lash, going through it, make sure everything's good. So right now we're gonna start by removing the engine. I already started disconnecting the wires on the driver's side and on the passenger side. I already took off the intake tube. Goes from right here from the airbox into the intake manifold. I already disconnected the water hoses, the heater core water hoses too. Disconnected the harness. I'm gonna disconnect this right now, and then the fuel lines. I'm gonna start removing the radiator, AC compressor, power steering pump, fuel lines. Grounds. I already removed the ground on this side. I have to remove that ground. Make sure to disconnect the battery before you start. I didn't do that because I forgot. So yeah, let's get to it. And just like that, she's out. I didn't really record the process of us taking out the swap, but I'm guessing you guys already know the deal. She's basically ready for us to start making the auto to manual conversion and then installing the new swap. So let's get to it. It's a pain in the butt to torque down the flywheel bolts, but I use this little handy dandy trick. The 17mm bolt, 13mm wrench, 12mm bolt with the big washer on this side, and it just holds, it doesn't move, so you could torque them easily without struggling. So on the wiring harness, you have to extend the intake air temperature sensor. Right here in the single cam, it plugs in the back, and in the B20 it plugs in the front of the intake manifold. So you have to extend this wire about 6 to 8 inches to make it work.
Fuck, calla. Mira ayer cómo salí, te estaba sangrando de acá, man. What the fuck?
What you doing there, buddy? Having fun?
Yeah. For my life.
Help.
You wanna help?
Yeah.
So on this bracket, where the shifter cable goes through, under the car, I'm just cutting this part off on both sides so I can smash this in with the hammer and just weld it around so we can put this back on the car and not have that big hole in the center. Hold on, I'll show you. That hole right there. Right here inside, the pedals are already installed. Brake pedal, gas pedal, and clutch pedal. And we already have the engine installed. Just missing the auto to manual mount. I accidentally ordered the wrong one. We already have the clutch line, slave cylinder, master cylinder. All the mounts are in, except that one. Right now we're gonna start working like on the axles, shift linkage, headers, and yeah, Let me go ahead and finish that bracket, and then I'll show you guys the final product. So this is the piece that I cut. The bracket should look like this. This is what the final product looks like. Not the prettiest, but she's gonna serve its purpose. I had to weld some bolts on this side so I can put it up from underneath, and then just put the nuts from the top and hold it into place. I'm gonna spray some paint on it to make it look a little bit better, and then I'm gonna put it on. And don't forget to put the gasket back on so it can seal everything, prevent dirt from going in. First startup. Dale. Para arriba, el botón este. Ese, ahí está. Technical difficulties. Dale.
No hay pila. No hay pila. No prende. Le falta señal, una señal.
Dale.
Yo le doy porque yo soy el profesional. Arre, macho.
Apágalo.
Look who's driving stick. Downshift. Actually, no, go into neutral. You're not ready for that. Alright, third. Turn. Hey, remember it's raining. Fourth. Alright, neutral. Wait for the light. You got it. Say cheese. Cheese. Oh, no, it's crazy.